Tell me why you cook all night for Christmas guests. Taste the food and your spirit just leaves your body. This particular one, it humbled me. I prepared light soup to eat with fufu, proper Christmas style. Charlie, I wanted that home taste, that comfort, that moment with my family. But guess what? My first time using duck abroad here in Obodo Ibo land. When I tasted it, it wasn't bad, oh, but it wasn't right. Charlie, my ancestors were quiet. I was just shocked because Charlie, my guest, the soup was given almost familiar but strange, like home, but homesick. Charlie, that's cooking abroad for you. Different ingredients, different tastes, but we learn, we laugh, and next time we will get it right. My guest had no option than to enjoy it like that. Now the question is, will I use duck again to prepare light soup? We shall see. Who knows tomorrow? Because Charlie, we learn every day and tomorrow is not promised. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, have you ever used duck to prepare soup before? And if yes, how did it turn out? Alright, yummies. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.